Hey Concrete fans, this is Ratgirl here, and I'm in the home studio today, and we are back with an episode of Let's Test This Mold. Right here, it doesn't look like it really, but it's a cowboy hat. It's a baby cowboy hat. There's little seams, you see that? Little stitching, and it's a random mold I got from Etsy. I already did a casting in it, because I felt like I had to break the surface tension before making this video because of the amount of details. Because let's see if it focuses. If you look here, there's these little details and it could rip out with the concrete when it casts. So let's cast it. Today, we're gonna be using pink matter, and this requires almost nothing. I might even make too much. It's not gonna take a lot of concrete. I actually think that's okay. That's maybe too much. So we're gonna mix it. We've got our water here. I don't have sriracha water like Mr. Concrete at home. I should probably do that, but my sriracha in the fridge is not empty yet. So let's mix it up. There's a nice breeze coming in right now. We've got some ventilation. I actually am making it a bit more wet because of all those little seams. And we're gonna let it rest. And I'm gonna massage it in first, like we always do when there's fine details. If you watched our skeleton video, we got an insane casting. Not a single void was found because we're just really good at mixing. We do this all the time. I personally do this about 30 hours a week, but Mr. Concrete lives in the studio and he does it all day, every day, all night, you know? Tons of concrete at a time. I'm not on that level yet. Expertise comes with time. Just look at how cute it is. I'm so excited. I chose pink. I like pink. So we're gonna let it chill a little. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this with my hands. There is a rock in here, which is totally fine. I'm just gonna make sure I put it in the middle and not on the surface. But we're gonna take a little bit of concrete like this, and you see these like little lines here. I think that's the brim of the hat. We're just gonna massage to get it in all those seams, the stitching of the cowboy hat. I've been looking for a cowboy hat for a while. They're kind of hard to come by in Montreal at thrift stores. I definitely want to buy it used, nothing new. I have one from a Halloween costume like 5 years ago, and every time I wear it, I get compliments on it, but it's totally like a $5 hat from a party store. So I feel like I need to get something a bit more spiffy. Let me know if you guys know any resellers that sell cool cowboy hats. Okay, I think I got it. I think right here I see we're gonna just break that tension here, get it in the seams, and maybe vibrate a little. And just put the rest with my hands because it's not a big mold. You don't wanna go too fast. Do you hear that stick? Interesting silicone. So yeah, this is gonna be a short video. Baby mold. I like little things. I like trinkets. Just vibrate. And a little bit more. See, I made a teardrop too much, but that's okay. Just like that. Is that good? Let's level it. I think that's it. Now I'm gonna let this cure for maybe 3 hours. I don't think it'll need more than that. And we'll be right back with the little baby cowboy hat reveal. So recap, it's a random Etsy mold. I didn't know how small it was. Probably should have read the description, but like I said, I like small things. I can roll with it. Look how cute. It's the size of like my little palms. I've got small hands. So we'll be right back. Hello again. It's Ratgirl, and I waited 3 hours patiently to see what my cowboy hat will look like when I demold it. So as you can tell, it's cured. Let's peel it. Ooh. I think it's super easy to take out. Okay. Let's pop it out. Oh, nice. Check it out. Look at that little string. So, what do you think? We got all the details. So the strings here are actually this part right here in the mold. And the stitching, it's got a nice texture. It's super light. I don't know what to do with it. What do I do with it? Would you put it in your plants? I have a lot of cacti. Maybe I'll just let it chill. Cool. Should I do more small things? Let me know. And we'll see you next time on Let's Test This Mold.